Philippine Sports Writer Association Cup, and they rock. Okay, approved. Draws for your lead. Moving a party outside. Mamika. Then on the unequaled as they leave the straight. We have OK, approved, Mega Red running in between runners alongside his Mamika. Next in line, unequaled, Queen of Class. Then comes Elusive Cat, followed by Money Queen running by the rail. Is Hot Shout, Headline Chaser. Second last, My Bukas Pa, while Gundam Exia is running at the tail of the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the leader. Okay, approved, leading the field, Mamik Kaisari outside, then racing in third, Mega Red, Queen of Class in between runners together with unequaled, Money Queen, Elusive Karisari outside, Hot Shot, Headline Chaser, My Bukas Pa, Gundam Exia, rounding at the last 602 runners, parting it out for the lead. We have Mamik running by the rail is entry number 2. Okay, approved, unequal, closing in. So as Elusive Cat as they race to the last 450. Mamika now the leader. Okay, approved, down on the inside. Then moving up, unequal together with Elusive Cat. Mamika by about 2 lengths now. Then running on the outside, Headline Chaser with 75 meters. Headline Chaser, Mamika Maniquin, and finally, Headline Chaser, Mamika close with My Bukas Pa, Maniquin. Then comes Unequaled and Hot Shout.
Headline change.